puddles dash. Rain is tapping on the ground, making such a splashing sound. Frogs are singing ribbit yay, they just love a rainy day. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. We want sunshine bright and warm, chasing rainbows after storm. Tiny flowers close up tight, waiting for the morning light. Birds are hiding in the tree, dreaming of the sun to see. Children press against the glass, watching raindrops trickle past, counting drops, 1, 2, 3. Rain, won't you please let us be? Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little baby wants to play, we'll have fun the sunny way. Look, a rainbow in the sky, shining colors way up high. Red and yellow, green and blue, purple, orange shining too. Butterflies will soon appear, sunshine tells us spring is near. Happy children run and sing, goodbye rain, hello to spring. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Now the sun shines here to stay, hip hip hooray, let's laugh and play.